Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 4 divided by 8 and its whole divide 4 multiply 8. Okay, so we can write this like in the parenthesis 4 divide 8, then divide in the second parenthesis 4 multiply 8. Okay, now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay, multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And addition and subtraction also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve parenthesis. Okay, here we have two parentheses, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this parenthesis, then we have to solve this parenthesis. So 4 divided by 8 is equal to, divide this 4 by using 4, so here is 1, and 8 divided 4 is equal to 2. Okay, so 1 upon 2 divide, now solve this parenthesis, 4 multiply 8 is equal to 32. Okay, now according to KCF rule, can we skip this 1 by 2 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction, 32 is equal to 1 by 32 is equal to 1 multiply 1. So here is 1. 32 multiply 2 is equal to 64. So the correct answer is 1 by 64. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.